Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 13th, and this is my analysis of the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So today is CPI inflation data for the US, which does have an effect on the yen pair, so definitely be careful for that. But anyways, on these higher time frames, I'm still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3. I don't even think the wave 3 is over. I think eventually it's going to go up probably to like the 223 or maybe the 200. We test those highs. Then it's going to start a big wave 4 and then go back up for a wave 5 to finish off this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I mean, this is where I think the main wave 1 and wave 2 is, and I think it's possibly a subdivision like 1, 2. Maybe this is a wave 3, a wave 4, and we're currently in a wave 5 of wave 3. Like I said, I still think we're in a wave 3, so this is just a subdivision of the wave 3, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. Eventually, I do think it is going to go down, make that big wave 4, and then up again for that big wave 5, like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I still am very bullish on this overall. I mean, I really don't see any reason yet to actually think this is going down in a big way. I personally am still looking for longs until I either get like a break of structure to the downside, maybe a significant lower high. But if it does go down, I mean, that would be a significant lower high. But none of that has happened yet, so I am definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. We are starting to get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape right here. I still am bullish. I still kind of think it needs to go up and take out these previous highs. And maybe it will turn down, maybe not. I mean, I'll know when it turns by observing the market. So until that happens, I am definitely looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. We've had some pretty nice longs this last few weeks. We had a really nice long yesterday on the yen pairs. And last week we had a couple really nice long opportunities. So as long as we keep on trading in the direction that our higher time frames tell us to trade, at least until our higher time frames give us some sort of confirmation that the market's not going up, then I think we're going to be in the right direction. Which tells me that at the end of any pullbacks I see, I will definitely continue to look for longs, at least until these roadmap higher time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.